Alright, what's going on YouTube? We just bought the Smirnoff signature screwdriver, and it's gonna be our, I don't know which review this is, our third review, fourth review?
I think so.
Alright, let me see what it says on here. This is a premium malt mixed drink, 5.8% alcohol by volume, premium beverage with natural flavors, certified caramel colors, brewed and bottled by Smirnoff, Plainfield, Illinois. Well, enough talking and let's try it out. Oi. Let me see. Smells like orange juice. Try it out. Kind of tastes like a fizzy orange juice.
Yeah.
Don't have a very strong taste of alcohol,
Good.
but not bad. I guess it tastes like a screwdriver.
Whatever that means.
Whatever that means, but yeah. Pretty good.
That's it?
That's it.
All right.
Hope you guys try it out.